Just came in, 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, Braunability power side entry handicap wheelchair van. Beautiful, beautiful Florida van, no rust, clean Carfax, clean title, gorgeous condition. It is a GT model, beautiful silver outside, 53,000 miles, super low mileage, well maintained, very, very nice, clean handicap van. Beautiful van. I'll give you the full tour. It's got brand new tires. Again, 53,000 miles. It is a 2019 Grand Caravan GT model. Silver exterior, black leather with red accents inside. Gorgeous all the way around. Hardly any flaws anywhere to point out. So I will point out any flaws so that you can get the full idea of what you're looking at. It does come with a set of tie downs for the wheelchair. It does also have an easy lock system in the passenger side, can be removed or moved to accommodate your needs. Just let us know. We are a certified and authorized Braunability service center and dealer. We've been in business almost 50 years. We are in Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We accept all types of trades, and we can help with shipping to anywhere in the world. Let us know where you're at. More than happy to help you. We take anything in trade. Gorgeous black leather inside, beautiful flooring, all in great shape. It does come with a set of tie downs for the wheelchair and the extra seat belt as well. It does have an easy lock system. This can be removed or moved if you are a local buyer. We can adjust it to your needs. It does have navigation, backup camera, power rear liftgate, dual power doors. The van has been running now for about 15 minutes while we're taking pictures and videos. As you can see, 53,674, no warning lights on. Van runs and drives great. Everything is working, functioning great. We have serviced this van. Again, brand new tires. It's got the GT wheels upgraded, no rust whatsoever. Super, super nice van. Dual power doors, 2 keys, owner's manuals. Does have the tie downs here located in this pouch and the extra seat belt. You have storage here, and then your spare tire will be under this compartment. So beautiful, beautiful condition. As you can see, it is a non-smoking van. Again, no issues, no stories, power lift gate all the way. Very nice and clean. Feel free to give us a call at 954-561-2499. We will price this to sell. Again, you can reach us at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Very easy system. Power ramp, upgrade, power door. Super simple, 53,000 miles. Fully lowered floor, Braunability, 2019. 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. If you need any help with docking systems, tie downs, any service questions, transfer seats, hand controls, we do service and install any type of mobility equipment, and we do have some of the best techs in the country, so feel free to give us a call. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.